Who has? I don't think it's like next door.
Who? Yeah. Did I give you permission to videotape you?
I have it now.
Hi.
I'm just
Go ahead.
being nosy.
Just doing our vision board.
Mm,
I want to eat healthy.
yes, that's awesome.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I got Zoe Kravitz. I love her.
Oh, yes.
On the Elle magazine.
Me too.
Yeah.
With Illustrated. I have lots of Illustrated. I love sports.
Real? I didn't know that.
Well, football, yeah.
What?
I don't like them. I mean, I never played them in school, but they interest me.
Oh.
Kind of magazine, yeah, and I was thinking I could probably do the same thing.
Okay.
And, you know, I'm interested in basketball too, so.
Yeah. Oh, guys. My little heart. This is awesome. Yay. Oh, gosh.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just kidding. He's sharing. We're sharing. We're sharing. I'm just kidding.
Okay, I have these scissors. At least I have these scissors.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
they're dangerous. And down here.
Oh, do you have that?
Sarah, I thought I
The
did.
Costco.
Huh?
No, I don't.
Costco. The Costco. Did you get this on?
So now you don't.
This is what I was in.
Leland! Leland, you gotta share!
You just working, you ain't saying nothing.
Alright, so you got career, so I still don't know what I want to do yet, but hopefully within a year, 5 years from now, I can have that done. So with that, I have some brands that, expensive brands, that I would love to, you know, be able to like get and not have to worry about, do I have money for the next bills for next month or like whatever. Then you got family, because family is important. So with that, like every time that we all get together,
Amir,
it's a lot of happiness.
wait.
And then I said, don't forget God, obviously.
My September 2019 vision. I'm a God-fearing woman. I want to live my best life. I want less stress. Let it go, let things go that I don't need to stress about.
So I coded with like houses and like homes, interiors. Yeah, because I'm gonna try to get my own place eventually, soon. So just ideas, and I have the foliage,
Ooh.
like plants and stuff.
Let's explore the new world every day. Well, also I'm born this way to live your best life, and that's what I'm trying to do right now. So sometimes life would throw you a loop,
Sure will.
health-wise. Sometimes, you know, a lot of this year I went through a management training, and it kind of like opened up a whole lot of, it showed me who I really am, and I had to step out of my comfort zone.
My vision boards, I've noticed they're more so things that I like or admire. So it's, of course, you guys can see the cat. It makes you think of Cobra. And that quote is so true. So life with your cat is never boring. Keep it that way. Cobra's a handful. Home is where the heart is. Because, you know, we're like a little family. Me, Sean, and Cobra. And it makes me happy.
I do more than that. Cat's not gonna do that.
Mom, I thought about you for the vitamins. So I was like, oh, it's healthy. I got a getaway picture down here in the middle column because, you know, we like to travel and stuff. And then I like this kind of formula down here that says values plus vision equals impact. And this is just kind of random stuff I admire. So like I thought the dog was
okay.
pretty. Artist, that's a camera. Cute little stickers. Scene setter, just because, I don't know, my YouTube channel, I just like to be a little different. You know, I'm like, oh, rainbow
very
happy
nice.
colors.
Yeah. And you can't see it because it's invisible. The baby.
Can I be intentional? Because I need to be intentional about all this stuff.
Yeah.
And plus that song by Travis Green.
Be intentional.
Okay. So, what's it called? Finances? What's it called? Oh, yeah. I figured that I need to like be better with my finances. Because like I don't know what my, I mean, I have a general idea what my finances are, but like I don't, like I just need to know
Katera's
the
going
plan
to
for like
hometown
debt.
or wherever she going. You're gonna have some.
It's not called hometown.
All right, we have our finances to a point. Like we got allowances or whatever, so we won't.
Oh, is that what it is?
I just need to be better about like where our money's going, like
Yeah.
save for the future, like what you were saying, brother, like
Yes.
retirement and all
Right.
that good stuff.
Oh my God.
Oh, and more formal dates with
Oh, that's so sweet. Outback. Chick-fil-A.
Under education, I mean, I was thinking more for like the bass guitar.
I ended up putting
hopefully
these
that
here
looks-
because Katera had them on hers.
Aw, thank you.
But it's your vision board.
I know. But hers look so nice.
Aw,
But those
thank
are
you.
Those times of, those moments of prayer.
Thank you,
You
Lord.
know, and I put better all over my poster. Just keep me. Come on.